And welcome to Chatbot Author's training video for the note symbol. This applies to the 3 Chatbot Author products: Basic, Intermediate Business and Advanced Business Plus. The note symbol is used if you want to add some more content within a pathway, so not one which would require an answer, but just give further context to perhaps the preceding dialogue step. To use a note symbol, you click on the canvas to open the wheel using the left click on the mouse and select the appropriate symbol. The symbol is placed on the canvas near to the location of the wheel, and at the same time a properties page is displayed on the right. For this example, we will have a look at a chatbot conversation for advising citizens whether they need planning permission for a loft extension. So if we open this, we can see the first field is called a dialogue step name. This is an identifier which is your aid memoir. The content, once entered, is displayed immediately on the top of the symbol on the canvas, just here. There is a maximum of 30 characters for the dialogue step name. The content is not part of the dialogue visible to those having a conversation with the published chatbot, but it is still important for 2 reasons. Firstly, maintainability. So whilst your audience will not see this text, make sure you enter something which makes sense to you so that you can easily identify the different dialogue steps when revisiting the canvas at a later date. It will become even more important if you choose to allow others to collaborate with your knowledge map. And secondly, metadata. For those that store the dialogue data, the dialogue step name is a descriptor for the type of dialogue step. This metadata is used in the real-time leaderboards and visualization reports, which are a feature of the Advanced Business Plus product. So in our example, the content of the dialogue step name is set to the measurement of 0.2 meters. The second field is called dialogue script. This is the narrative script, which should be a statement, and it has a maximum of 300 characters for 2 reasons: to force the reconstruction and deconstruction of complex knowledge into small steps, and secondly, we at DF 2020 have set a universal benchmark that each dialogue step should be read, understood and moved to the next step in 8 seconds. For those with Chatbot Author Advanced Business, the performance of each dialogue step can be viewed within metrics. The script here is part of the chatbot dialogue visible to those having a conversation with the published chatbot. Always take care with the narrative you enter. Whilst you can continually make updates and amends, it is more efficient to enter accurate and easy to understand dialogue at the time of entry. So in the example we have here, the content is set to the measurement of 0.2 meters should be made along the original roof slope from the outermost edge of the eaves to the edge of the enlargement. The next field we have is image URL, and this allows you to enter an image which might help explain what you are saying or give contextual knowledge to the user. And to add an image, you would just enter an HTTP address in here. And if you don't want to add an image, you can leave it blank. And the last field is for video URL, which is like the picture but for a video. And please note that video links cannot be taken straight from YouTube. Typically, you would take this from your Azure cloud. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, then you click Done. And this enables you to see a preview of what you've entered. If you spot a mistake or an improvement, then you can press Edit to improve the properties. Otherwise, you click Done and the note symbol has been completed. There is a limitation to how many times a note symbol can be used within the knowledge map. If you reach the limit, you have 2 choices. You could either upgrade your Chatbot Author if you're not already using the Advanced Business Plus product, or you could use the link symbol for a handover to another knowledge map, which is only available within the Intermediate Business or Advanced Business Plus editions. The reason for this limitation is to ensure that the chatbot remains maintainable. If you need to edit the note symbol at a later stage, then you just click on the symbol and the following icons appear. So you have delete, edit, duplicate, clone and help. Thanks for watching and bye for now.